Hi, I'm Lothair, the designer of the Loopy Lu. Some of you may be having trouble making this thing, so I'm going to put a very quick little movie together to show you how. Okay, here we go. So this is your package, and you have a white Loopy Lu. This you'll need later. You have the instructions. So yes, first we're just going to concentrate on the front page, and we're going to lay out our pieces. So one in the middle, 5 around the outside, and we'll put the rest aside for the meantime. Okay, so here the arrows in the middle, they're broken arrows, they go underneath. We need to follow that as well, okay? And then the other arrows go over the top and through to the back. Okay, so here we go. We lift up this piece, we drag the loop through from the side, and we just repeat this 5 times. So what we're doing, we're building the Loopy Lu upside down. It'll start to curve into a bowl shape as we complete step 1. Okay, so that's the first middle bit done. Now these other bits here, they go the other way. Okay, so here we go. This loop goes through that hole there, and that repeats 5 times. Okay, so here we go. Let's take this one here, over the top and through to the back, which will become the top. Over the top of that loop through to the back. I'm just going to spin it round, over the top through to the back, over the top through to the back, and again. Now you'll see as I do that last one, it flips into a bowl shape. So as it curves around further, the top actually becomes the inside and the back becomes the outside. You can see what I've done so far. These overlapping petals are really important because they're going to hold the light structure, the light fitting while you're hanging it. If you have something resembling this, you're making it the wrong way around. You shouldn't have a dome shape. You should, and these things don't work because you've got nothing for the light to fix onto. So it's these overlapping things in the middle. I'm just going to push it the other way and squeeze it through, and then if you want to be really fussy, these middle pieces, you can arrange them very carefully, one on top of the other, on top of the other, on top of the other, and you get this nice iris here. I'll show you that close up. If we just arrange that, we just push that, it clicks into place. So this is not necessary, it's just you want to be really fussy. Okay, so that's step 1. Step 2, we flip over the page. The piece in red with the grey panel in the middle, that is what you've completed. So this is what you've made. Now we're going to add the rest of the 5 panels, and basically you'll be done. It's so actually quick to make when you know what you're doing. Okay, so I'm going to come over here. This one here is going to go through there, and this one here is going to go through here. All of these loops have to go to the outside. You'll see if you've done it right or wrong because there's a flow to the panels. They will go in a circular motion. If you've done it wrong, you can tell because you end up with 2 panels that come together and 2 that come apart. So in order to keep the flow going, I'll show you on the outside. Now you have them going in a clockwise direction. You can actually make it so that those pieces flow in an anti-clockwise direction. It just means that you've made the lamp the other way around, which is completely possible as well. Okay, so I'm going to carry on just very quickly. That one through there, that one through there, spin it around, repeat the step again, pull this through, and then this one through here. I hope you can see that. I'll do one this way, just hopefully you can see. So this is lining up the panel, and you're pulling this thing through to the outside, and now you're putting this inside here and then pulling it out to the outside. It's going to be very easy if you look at the instructions for that piece. Okay, now we come to the outside, the last piece. Once I know what I'm doing, I'm just pulling it through, I'm spinning it, I'm repeating the same step 5 times. It's really a lot of repetition. And really, we're done. That's it.